Hi, my dears. Welcome back. Today we will learn a new chapter Landscape Analysis Through Maps. In this chapter, we will learn about the importance of topographic maps and its features. Have you heard about map? What is map? Yes, a diagrammatic representation of an area of land is called map. Let's see the history of topographic map. Before independence, British established their power in Indian colonies and they decided to prepare maps based on various surveys. They thought that these surveys are very useful for collecting revenue. The British people used mainly three surveys. They are tax survey, topographic survey, and trigonometric survey. These surveys are undertaken by Colonel William Lambton along with several Indians. Theodolite is an instrument used for measuring surveys. The survey works in India began in 1802 under Colonel William Lambton. Colonel George Everest joined as an assistant to Lambton in 1818. This was the first survey that recorded the correct measurements of the Himalayan mountain ranges. As a tribute to George Everest, who took charge of the survey after Lambton, the highest peak in Himalayan mountain ranges are given the name Everest. The first topographic maps of the Indian subcontinent were prepared after the completion of the survey in 1854. How is the word topographic derived? The English term topographic is derived from the Greek terms topo and graphic. Topo means place and graphy means to write or draw. Let's see the features of topographic maps. Topographic maps are maps prepared by incorporating minute details of comparatively small areas. These are large scale maps. Man made and natural features on the Earth's surface are depicted in detail. Contour lines helping to identify undulations of the terrain are drawn in the map. Important surface features like rivers, other water bodies, forest, agricultural land, barren land, villages, towns and transport, and communication systems are depicted. The number of topo sheet, million sheet, and degree sheet are recorded. Details like state, district, year of survey, and the agency, scale of the map, contour intervals, latitude and longitude lines, and different colors for landforms are given. Other details like bridges, poles, altitude of the place, lakes, official buildings, settlements are also included in the map. Let's see the uses of topographic maps. Topographic maps are used for various purposes. First one, to analyze the physical and cultural features of the terrain. Next, for military operations and the preparation of military maps. Next one, to identify and study the natural as well as the cultural resources of a region as part of economic planning. And last one, for urban planning. Proper planning and practical experiences are essential for reading topographic maps. It requires a thorough knowledge of the numbering scheme, locational aspects, the conventional signs and symbols, the elevation or height and slope of the terrain, and the methods of their representation. Topo sheets for the whole world have been prepared in several sheets of same size and shape. The whole world is picturized in 2222 sheets, 1800 sheets for regions between 60° latitude in the northern and the southern hemisphere, 420 sheets for regions between 60° and 88° latitudes in both hemispheres, and 2 sheets for both the poles. Let's conclude today's class. What we learned today? Yes, right. Today we learned about topographic maps, its uses, features, etc. Hope you all understood what we learned today. Meet in the next class with the rest of the chapter. Thank you.